Hi everyone, I'm Lena Jacome. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm always excited to talk about costuming, and I just thought that I would share a little bit of information with you because I don't really purchase a lot of traditional costuming. I mean, I do have some traditional flamenco dance costumes, but sometimes it does require me to be a little bit creative when I'm putting something together, and I can't quite find what I'm looking for maybe online or from a flamenco uh, dresses or costuming store. So I got this and I was able to match it with a skirt of mine. So this is just like a lace long sleeve top, but it has like a little flare at the top, and it looks really nice. I have the same color of tank top and the same color of skirt. And so I ended up purchasing this from Forever 21. And Forever 21 I really like because they have some really different outfits, and they're fresh styles. They have just something that you wouldn't find just anywhere. So I don't shop there that often, but every once in a while I will come across something that I'm like, oh, that might look good when I'm performing. So this was like gold for me. I found a skirt from Burlington Coat Factory, and it was one skirt. This was one skirt that has transformed into one short skirt that has transformed into a long flamenco dress. So before, when I purchased it, it was just this short polka dot skirt for $10. I got it for $10. So I went back and I purchased a second one, and then I found a seamstress who's really affordable in my area, and she thought it would really be nice to put a layer of red underneath the ruffles, underneath each ruffle. So it ended up looking like this, which is beautiful and really affordable and a creative way to put a costume together. So I just thought I would share those ideas with you because I know that it's not always the easiest thing to purchase a full costume online or even in a flamenco store if you happen to be somewhere where they have that. This is something that's affordable and easy. If you're here in the US, you can try out these places, look on the clearance rack. You might find something that is like gold mine for costuming. So just some suggestions, and I'm happy to share them with you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, I wish you all the best. Bye.